Hello friends, welcome to another video of Life of Us or Life of US. So as you know that Bill HR 1044 is not passed in the House. So in this video we are going to talk about what are the next steps, what was the reason why it didn't get passed in House, what was the reaction of Congresswoman Zoe Lofgren, and why we should not lose hope.
So let's start. So what could be the next step? Next step is we are back to square one. Somebody has to introduce these bills to the House of Representatives or Senate, because unlike India, we can introduce bills in any of the chambers, like the upper house or the lower house. Then it will go through many steps again in order to become a law. So those steps are same as in Senate and in House of Representatives. These steps are, it will introduce to a committee, subcommittee, then there will be hearings, debates, then there will be voting in committee, then it will come into the House of Calendar, then there will be debate on the House floor, then House floor voting will be there, and if everything goes well, the bill will be engrossed and goes to the other chamber, and then the other chamber will pass it, and then it will go to president, and then it can become a law. So in this case, there were amendments and Senate amendments were not liked by House of Representatives. So that comes to our next point. What were the reasons this bill didn't pass? So the main reason could have been Section 9, which is also called the poison pill. You must have been reading about it or hearing about it. That is the prohibition on admission or adjustment of status of alien affiliated with the military forces of the People's Republic of China or the Chinese Communist Party. So this was one of the reasons that this bill didn't pass.
So the another reason could have been under Section 4, H-1B employer petition requirements, where it says that any American company who are recruiting H-1B visa holders, they cannot increase more than 50% of their workforce. So that could be another reason. Also, you must be thinking the sections we are talking about are sections
Where are they?
What are these sections? These sections are actually defined inside the official bill. So anyone can go ahead and read it. We will leave a link of this bill in the description box.
Both HR 1044 and S386, the amended bill. So the HR 1044 is just 7 pages. S386 is actually 36 pages, and the Section 9 we are talking about, the poison bill, is the last section.
So now coming to our third point, that was what was the reaction of Zoe Lofgren, who was one of the main supporter of this bill.
So she's basically the architect of HR 1044 who presented this bill or who introduced this bill into House of Representatives.
Mr. Speaker, I rise today in support of H.R. 1044, the Fairness for High-Skilled Immigrants Act, a bipartisan bill that would make a modest but important change to our immigration laws to alleviate hardships associated with lengthy visa backlogs.
And she also has been working on this bill for last 12 years. So yeah, again, a big thanks to Zoe Lofgren and Mike Lee.
So after the news gets circulated that this bill didn't get its place in omnibus bill, Zoe Lofgren released a statement on her website. I will just read a few lines from her statement. She says, "I'm very disappointed that we have not yet been able to reach a compromise between the House and Senate on a version of the Fairness for High-Skilled Immigrant Act that creates the change we need and that can pass both chambers of Congress. But I won't give up hope that ongoing bipartisan and bicameral talks can get us over the finish line in the next Congress. I'll keep trying."
So this is a positive sign, and now we come to our fourth point, that why we should not lose hope.
So why we should not lose hope is that Zoe Lofgren, who is the congresswoman, who's the House of Representatives member, her tenure is over because House of Representatives tenure is of 2 years. So her tenure is over, but Senator's tenure is of 6 years. So Senator Mike Lee, who has been the supporter of this bill in Senate, he's still there. His tenure is till 2023. So we hope that in the next Congress, he will push this bill further. And the second point is, now that we are who are making this video, and you who are watching us right now are more aware of this fact, are more aware of the discrimination of the country-based biasness. So we can also push our congressmen, and now we have made various videos. How we can contact our congressmen, how we can see their calendar, and we have made various videos on that. All the links are in the description box below. So the hope is still there, so please don't lose hope. People who are supporting this bill are still there.
And there is a small quote which I would like to add it in the end. Recently, one of my friend, he gifted me a book, this book. And in that he has written this quote which actually suits this situation very well. So I will read out this quote. If I will try to show it here. So I will read out this quote. So it says, "Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It's the courage to continue that counts." This quote is by Winston Churchill.
It's the courage that counts. So we have to be really hopeful and really pumped up for the next Congress session, and
stay optimistic and stay positive.
And Zoe Lofgren said that she will not give up. She will do something. And Senator Mike Lee is with us. Many of the senators are in favor of this. So we should keep fighting. In the end, we would just like to tell you that, since this bill was so important, we have been making videos on this bill related to these bills for the past few weeks. So we will be getting back to our older selves, not this Padaku type. So we are coming up with 2 videos actually. One is we have teamed up with a comedian in India.
अरे जी, मुझे एक बात बताओ कि देश की जनता का गुस्सा कम करने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए?
शादी के लिए। अच्छा, वो एक हैंडपंप लड़का ढूंढ रही है।
And we have made a nice Christmas kit with him, so that will be our next video and all. चल बातें बहुत होगी, पर अपना क्रिसमस ट्री तो दिखा। हमारा तो देख लिया तूने क्रिसमस ट्री।
2 मिनट चुप नहीं रह सके। अमेरिका बात कर रहे हो, दिमाग खराब कर दिया, ठाऊं गोबर।
And also the second video would be behind the scenes of how I took interview with Rajpal Yadav for the movie Coolie #1.
Thank you, Namita. Thank you. God bless you and take care. All the best for your future. और बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं आप, बहुत अच्छे। जय नारी शक्ति।
I had to get up 4 in the morning. And how we deal with PR, हमें कैसा Zoom link आता है, and how they tell us when to start the interview. Everything behind the scenes I've covered. PR ने मुझे बोला है that you can join in 10 minutes. So these 2 videos are coming up, so stay tuned.
And Namita, you should tell about your background also, like why you are, like how you are involved in taking these interviews.
So I'm basically an anchor and a reporter. I used to be an anchor and reporter in India with various big channels, and here also I anchor, I report for one of the leading newspaper here, and also take interviews from celebrities. So the next video or the next to next video may be of Mr. Rajpal Yadav's interview behind the scene. So stay tuned.
So Namita, give the countdown, then we'll start.
Sure.
Okay, we are starting 3, 2, 1, go.
Hello Rajpal ji, क्या हाल चाल आपका? So this is it in this video. Hope you like it. If you like it, if you like our research, if you like the work, if you like the hard work, so please subscribe to our channel. It will give us real encouragement and real push.
Yeah.
So
and in future also, if there is anything related to this bill, we will talk about it. We will definitely come back with that information. Please, if you like the video, please like it, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel.
hit the bell icon for our upcoming videos.
Till then, bye bye.
Bye bye.